Hey everyone, what's up? Today I'm answering the big question, what is web hosting and how does it actually work? Welcome to the channel. Imagine you dream up a cool business, like selling handmade crafts. You pick a store name, design a logo, make products, but without renting a real shop space, no one sees it. Web hosting works the exact same way online. It's renting digital space on powerful computers called servers, giant rooms full of them, always online. Your site's text, photos, videos, and buttons live there. When someone types your address, like yoursite.com, their device pings the server, which zips back your page super fast. No hosting? Your site stays invisible. Don't mix it up with domain names. That's just your online address. Get a domain without hosting and it shows a parked page. Together they make your site live worldwide. Types? Shared is cheap like sharing an apartment. Great for starters. VPS gives your own room for more power. Cloud teams up servers for nonstop reliability. Dedicated? Your private mansion for big traffic. Smash like, subscribe, comment your site idea below. For best web hosting discounts, check the description. Helps the channel grow. See you next time.